Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect CoinTracking to Binance.us for exportable reports, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the CoinTracking website. Log in to your CoinTracking account. From the dashboard, locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to access the account configuration options. Find the Import tab within the Settings menu. Select Import to view the various exchange options available. Scroll down to find the Binance.us integration option. Click on the Binance.us link to proceed with the connection process. You will need to generate an API key on Binance.us. Open a new tab and log into your Binance.us account. Once logged in, navigate to the API Management section. Click on the Create API button to generate a new API key. Label your API key for easy identification. Select the appropriate permissions for the API key. Make sure to enable the Read Info and Enable Trading options if required. Click on the Create button to generate the API key in secret. A verification process may be required to complete the API key creation. Once created, copy your API key in secret to your clipboard. Return to the CoinTracking tab. Paste the API key into the designated field in CoinTracking. Next, paste the API secret into the corresponding field. Once both fields are filled, click the Save button to establish the connection. CoinTracking will take a moment to verify the API connection. After verification, you should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. To export reports, navigate back to the CoinTracking dashboard. Locate the Reports section to generate your desired reports. Select the specific report type you wish to export. Choose the date range and other applicable filters for your report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.